We are at the Goodwill outlet today when you pay by the pound, and we're doing a thrift challenge.
Haley and I are going to try to find at least 10 items each in the Goodwill outlet today, combine those into a 20 item Whatnot show without telling people whose item is whose, and whoever makes the most profit in today's Whatnot auction gets to choose where we go for dinner tonight. And I am super excited to win.
Down.
No way, no way.
Oh, it's cool. Jurassic Park hat. It's an Oakley bag. That's cool. A new Italian hat here. Cabela's kids hat. Ooh, look, Julian Birch. Nice. And what's this one? This one feels nice. I don't really see a brand though. I'm gonna grab it.
Pre-owned, so just the flight rudder pedals with, yeah, it just says 69 bucks plus $20 in shipping, 114 plus, or free shipping. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, look at there. It's the stick to flight yoke system. I think that's part of it too. Rue, I think that's, isn't that the guy from Winnie the Pooh? Disney tag? Disney store? A little baseball glove right here. Rawlings, it's like a kid size, pretty small. PM 1200B, 12 inch. I think it's a kid, yeah, stuff for kids. I can't fit my hand in there.
Got a Vera Bradley here. I think, maybe not. Yeah, Vera Bradley. That's cute. Nike belt. Carolina. Is this like a robe or something? Or like a snuggie? Very interesting.
Got this whole pile of cook. What is that? That's a Pokemon. I don't know who that is, but that's cool. Grab that. We got this little pile of cookware here, and it looks all new. It's like Thanksgiving themed, all new with tags. 10 bucks originally. We got, oh, it's actually with like measurements on it. It's cool. Let's get cooking. Probably leave that one. Little hummingbird finger thing. Probably get all these. We'll probably get like $2. Maybe sell them all together for like 15.
Volair.
Yeah, it's a cyclone shirt. Got pockets in the back. Yeah, cyclone.
Get it?
Might be good. Yeah, I think we sold one time.
I think so. I just don't recognize that.
It's hard to find
brand.
cycling stuff that doesn't have like graphics all over it.
Yeah.
So this is plain with the pockets, long
Right.
sleeve.
511 tactical hat. Walt Disney World. Disney Parks.
There's a Funko Pop too. I don't know who that is. Wow. Hey, what's up, John? How are you?
Pretty good.
I'll grab that. I found this really interesting plush. He's got like crazy mouth. His tongue is like firm. He's got like wire in him, so he's like malleable or whatever. Very interesting. In pretty good shape. He is from Fisher Price, 1987. So I don't know who this guy is, but I'm gonna take a chance on him. Oh, that's Texas Pete. The Bun Bun. Disney Bun Bun. Oh, Disney Squishmallow. Oh, Scarfield. That's good. 1981.
Yeah, vintage.
Look at this. South Carolina Gamecocks starter. Made in China, but still pretty old.
Gosh, you guys, look at this. We got a pair of the original Moon shoes. Holy crap. Yeah, I remember getting these for Christmas in like, I don't know, 1996, 1997. That's wild. That's wild. 1989. Original. And they look in great shape. I'm definitely going to get those. There's a pre-owned set right there that sold for $42 plus shipping, 1989. These 1989? What did I say these were? Yeah, these are the same ones, 1989. 42 bucks plus shipping. It's crazy. This Jessica Simpson, I think it's a diaper bag. So it's pretty big and it's got like a little thing in here that looks like it would hold a bottle or something. It might just be a regular tote bag, but it has the shoulder strap, all the zippers work. So cool patterns like red, white, and blue. Leather straps. Jessica Simpson is not like a fantastic brand or anything, but this will probably be about $2 or $3. Maybe we can get like 20 for it. Look at this. 20-piece service for 4 unforgettable styles. It's got bears on it. Looks like it's new. I mean, the box has a little bit of gunk on there, but 20-piece flat rail set with bears on the handle. I'm gonna get that. I don't know what it's worth, but Silversmith Limited. That's awesome.
So I couldn't find an exact sold comp for the set that I found, but I did see the sold comp for just 4 individual spoons from the same company with bears on them, and they sold for $74.99 free shipping just a few days ago. So I have high hopes for this set.
We got a Revereware copper bottom pan here. These sell okay. I usually avoid them because I don't like shipping them, but this is the lid for it, which I think it is. Yeah. I'm gonna get this just to see if we can clean off this bottom later on in the video. I've heard people use Barkeeper's Friend to get this looking like brand new again. And we have it, but I've never used it on this stuff. So I'm gonna try it. If we can get it cleaned, it's probably like a $20, maybe $25 pot plus shipping. Okay, so I just found this shark over here. I was like, oh, that's kind of a cool shark, but I ultimately passed on it. But then I found this shark. Look at it. It even moves back and forth. That is awesome. I don't see a brand or anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Oh yeah,
Hershey ones. I mean,
sweet.
I found them. I don't know.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
No problem.
Awesome.
Good day.
Yeah. Shout out that guy. Gave us some Squishmallows. Not a bad haul for like 30 minutes out here. We do have too much stuff. This is all plush.
$50.
95.50. Actually, I just realized I had a bunch of this bag was electronics.
At the Goodwill outlet, most things are $1.89 per pound, but electronics are only 50 cents per pound at our location. So that's why I'm trying to go through and fix it.
Okay, so that's regular, and then this is electronics. I'm so sorry. $81.60. Okay, that was worth it. Saving $15. So here is that copper bottom Revereware pot. We're going to try to get it cleaned up. Again, we're going to use this Barkeeper's Friend cleanser. Never used it before, at least on this, so we'll see. Use a little green scouring pad here. I literally just started cleaning. You can already see how much of this junk is coming off already. Maybe not all of it, but it's certainly, man, I'm not even scrubbing that hard. I mean, just like normal amounts of pressure. I'm scrubbing a little bit harder on this part just because I think it's like a little bit more caked on. That's crazy. So unfortunately, there were a few more little black spots that I just couldn't get off of there, but I think it cleaned up super nice, probably 100 times cleaner than it was before. Lid came nice and clean as well, so now it's an easy $20, $25 pot plus shipping. So we're about to jump in on this Whatnot auction. My 10 items are over here and Haley's 10 items are over there. We both ended up getting more than 10 items total, so we just went through and picked out 10 things that were most appropriate to sell on Whatnot. The Volair cycling shirt that Haley got, we decided to list that on eBay because it's like 40, 45 bucks on eBay. Doubt we would get that much on Whatnot. And the flight system thing, the joystick and pedals and all that stuff, should get like close to 200 bucks for that on eBay. If we did that on Whatnot, it'd probably sell for like 30 bucks or so. So got a couple things we're gonna keep for eBay, 10 things for Whatnot. Let's see who comes out on top. First item in today's video, 511 tactical hat. Well, Bribe Eyes won it for $11. Let me have it tried on. Bribe Eyes, congratulations. They're sold for $11. I don't see a brand on this guy. He's like an action figure shark. Cool shark thing sold for $6.
Or Brianna Johnson.
$6.
Thank you so much.
Great deal on that.
This is a Lucky Brand purse.
Lucky Brand.
It is like nice black leather. Ernie
got it for $10. Next up, we got this Jessica Simpson diaper bags.
Cheryl's Crafty World. Thank you.
$19.
And I don't know if it's Snuggie. I put it as a Snuggie, but
It's
I
not a
don't know.
Snuggie. It's Snuggie-ish.
It is an off-brand Snuggie.
Volcanic Wife is up to $9 though. And Volcanic Wife is gonna take it. Here we go. We got the Moon Shoes, original from 1989. 5 seconds left. $15 going once, $15 going twice, and sold to Brianna Johnson.
Thank you.
36. Next up, we got a set of silver plate flatware. Mexicano Lobo got this for $27. $27.
Awesome.
Congratulations.
This is a Walt Disney World
Hoodie.
hoodie.
Ernie. Got it for $11.
you.
Ernie, congratulations. Thank you so much. Next up, we got a plush. This is Roo. Pretty sure he's from Winnie the Pooh. Gouda cheese.
Gouda cheese.
One for $13.
Thank
Congratulations.
you.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Let's do this one first. Okay. This is a Dooney and Burke wallet. Ernie.
Ernie. Got that
Thank
one
you.
for $23.
I feel like that's a steal, but I don't know.
Oh, that's pretty fair. We got the big one, though. We still got the big one. Let's do the big one next.
It's true.
Freaking Amazing is winning at $46. 5 seconds left. Freaking Amazing. $46 going once, $46 going twice. Sold to Freaking Amazing for $46.
Thank you so much.
Next up, we got our friend Texas Pete.
Show them your Yosemite Sam impression.
Hey, I'm Yosemite Sam.
So this is a little cute little Vera Bradley book bag.
R
R
L R L
LJJ 812.
RLJJ?
Just one.
Ron. Ron is easier. Ron, congratulations. Ron got it for $23.
Thank you.
We got some Squishmallows here. We got a Hershey's Unicorn Garden Chef one for $20. Thank you so much. We got another one very similar to this Squishmallow. It's a corgi with heart glasses on inside of a Hershey Kiss.
Jason J. Richie one.
Jason J. Richie,
Thank you.
$27. Jason, thank you so much.
I found this purse. Now, there was no logo or anything, and then I Google Instant, and it's from Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel Fab Frenchie Flippers.
Just
one for $31. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's Minnie Mouse. I mean, she's not super small, but she's not like a big Squishmallow. Mexicano Lobo takes it for $21. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
You're awesome.
Okay, so next up is just your simple Nike black leather belt.
It's actually reversible.
It is. How do you do the
You
thing?
pull it down and then twist it. Devin R9292 can use it for whatever they want because they just got it for $17.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys are awesome.
Rowlet.
Rowlet. Okay. Rowlet Pokemon's got a little string on top so you can hang him from somewhere. One, Tainted Killa. It's your first purchase from us. Thank you so much. It's not Pidgeotto. Pidgeotto. Tainted Killa 808. Sold for $9. Thank you so much. Last item, and then we'll do one more giveaway.
South Carolina Gamecocks starter pullover. It's got the starter hit on the sleeve.
There it goes. Noah W
just won.
518.
Thank you.
$4.
Thank you.
Thanks, Noah. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video because you guys will probably be in it. We've been recording it the whole time with the GoPro and screen recorders and everything like that. So we will see you guys on the next one, which will be at some point in the future. Love you so much. Okay, I truly don't know who won because I was not keeping up with the prices.
Yeah, we're gonna have to calculate
We're gonna have to calculate. Okay, so the moon shoe sold for $15. Those were mine, and the cool shark thing sold for $6. That was mine. And
I know which one is which, so you can just say.
Okay, 511 Tactical sold for $11. Nike belt sold for $17. Dooney and Burke wallet sold for $23. Disney World hoodie sold for $11. Lucky brand purse sold for $10. Cracker Barrel bag sold for $31. Dooney and Burke purse sold for $46. Squishmallow Hershey sold for $20. Roo plush sold for $13. Squishmallow other Hershey sold for $27. Minnie Mouse Squishmallow sold for $21. The silver, the flatware sold for $27. Gamecock pullover sold for $4. Vera Bradley backpack sold for $23. Jessica Simpson bag sold for $19. Pokemon plush sold for $9. Gamecock Snuggie blanket sold for $9. And the Texas Pete plush sold for $11. I still don't know who wants because I can't add all that stuff up that fast.
Oh, I'm gonna add it up.
Okay.
I'll add it up.
I'm so nervous. It's coming so close. So 185 is your total?
Yes.
Okay, and then my total is 168.
I did not think that I won.
I didn't either.
Wow.
Honestly, it's so close.
Yes,
though.
it was.
That was fun.
I win.
Where are we going for dinner?
I don't know.
After a few hours of deliberation, Haley eventually chose Chick-fil-A.